Hello, in this video, we will look at the anatomy of the external nose. We will look at the structural framework and the intersection areas. If we remove the skin of the nose, we can look at the framework. The upper one-third of the nose is bony and the lower two-thirds of the bone is cartilaginous. The bone and cartilage form the framework. We can also see some fibrofatty tissue. Let's look at the framework. First, the bony part of the framework. This is the frontal bone. And this here is the nasal process of the frontal bone. These two are the nasal bones. This is the maxilla and this is the frontal process of maxilla. One on each side. So the bony framework consists of nasal process of the frontal bone, nasal bones one on each side, frontal process of maxilla one on each side. Then we will look at the cartilages. We can divide it as one unpaired cartilage and three paired cartilages. The one unpaired cartilage here is present in the midline. This is the septal cartilage. Let's look at the paired cartilages. This big cartilage which you see here, this is the upper lateral cartilage. The cartilage below it here, this is the lower lateral cartilage. The lower lateral cartilage is also known as the alar cartilage. The small cartilage here, this is the sesamoid cartilage. Sesamoid cartilage is also known as lesser alar cartilage. So this is the framework of the bone. Let's look at the intersection areas. We will look at three intersection areas. The first one is between the frontal bone and the nasal bone. This junction is known as the nasion. Then, this is the upper lateral cartilage. The junction between the nasal bone and the upper lateral cartilage here. This is the rhinion. Then, this is the lower lateral cartilage. The junction between the upper lateral cartilage and the lower lateral cartilage. This junction is known as the limen nasi. Limen nasi also forms the lateral boundary of the internal nasal valve. I will explain the internal nasal valve in the next video. Thank you.